Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please kindly subscribe. I know most of you might have been encountering this issue, particularly this period. As at the time I'm recording this video, today is 18th of December 2024. So all these accounts you're seeing as apart from the Dama 94, I've run into issue with Instagram, where I'll just try to log in into on my account and I'll be saying your account has been suspended. So that's when you come across this issue and you have been trying to resolve this issue, you're not getting it one way or the other, or you're having difficulties passing through the verification process to get your account back. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Okay, so let's say you want to log in and you see something like this. Let me okay, I think this account is suspended. So let's use this one as a reference. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna log into your Instagram account using your app. So okay, so I'll put my password. Put my password. Let me quickly tap my password. Oh, this is not my account. Just log in. This is not my account. Okay, so I'll just go back. Let me try to see if I got something wrong. Let me just input my login details again. Okay, let me log in now. Let's see. It's loading. So once you just put your email and password, click on login. Oh, okay, this is my account now. So you can see we have disabled your account, which means this account, I can't use this account again because it has been permanently disabled. But in your case, it should be showing this account that is suspended. It's going to show you this account is suspended. So, and if you try to click on the suspension thing to upload the suspension, you're going to be stuck here. This is the essence of this video. If you're seeing this error message that shows there might be a problem with your internet or lack of storage space on your device, if you're facing this type of problem, this video is for you. So what are you going to do if this kind of problem kept on reoccurring or is preventing you from going forward to lifting your ban or your suspension? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your Google Play Store. Quickly go to my phone. I have many apps on my phone, so it's really difficult. So let's just go through it. Okay, so just click on Google Play Store and then you search for Kiwi browser. So I'm very sure some of you know the app. Just type Kiwi browser, your Google Play Store. So this is the browser we are going to be using. We are going to log in directly from this browser. So just I already have that browser on my phone, so I'll just update it. But in your own case, you just need to download the browser. Do you understand? So I'll click on update. So I'll just wait for it to update. So it has finished updating. I'll just click on open. So once I click on open, it's going to bring you. So you're going to go to www.instagram.com on the app. So let's go to instagram.com. Login. So just go to www.instagram.com on the Kiwi browser. Once you log in, so just click on login. I'll just indicate with the arrow now for you to see. Sorry. So just hold on please. So okay, so just click on the login. As you can see, click on the login. Then to take you to the login page, now you can input your email address and password. So I'll just quickly do that. Just quickly input my username and password. So I'll just do that shortly. So then I'll log in. Okay, you just click on the login button and Let's hold on for it to load. So as you can see, it's going to take me to my Instagram account. So in your own case, it's going to take you to that page where it says your Instagram account has been suspended, not disabled. So this account, the reason why we can't use this because it has been permanently disabled, so we can't use this for the sake of this video. But you're only going to be showing suspension, so you're going to click on the button that is going to take you to where you can upload your own details. So now I want you to listen carefully. If you're using your Instagram account, it's going to ask you to go through the live recording thing where the error message keep on popping up and telling you there's internet connection error, or storage, lack of storage issue. But in this case, when you use your Kiwi browser, you're not going to go through all that. All you need to do is upload your documents or upload your picture. In some cases, I'll just upload my pictures and then my suspension will be dead. Do you understand? So, and in your own case as well, what you need to do is just upload a picture, upload your documents, and then the suspension will be lifted. Do you understand? So, and you'll be fine. Your Instagram account will be back to do whatever it is you have been doing on the account. So, remember, this video is mainly for those that are experiencing issue going through having difficulties passing through the live recording verification process. So this video is for those that can pass through that particular stage. But if you're not facing that kind of problem, I don't think this video is for you. Or if you're particularly facing the issue of there's a lack of storage or internet connection and you're unable to capture yourself via live recording, I would advise you to download your browser, log into your account, Instagram account through the website. So be automatically resolved. You won't have to see this, you won't have to record yourself live. All you need to do is just upload your own pictures, and that is it, guys.